Guys, hi everyone. So we're gonna do some tests remaining. So the ninth one is to see if all the questions appear in data grid view, which is selected. So for that we need to log in as a teacher. Oops, sorry about that. Go to log advanced, let's say econ A. As you can see, the questions 1 to 115. That's just question number, it's not in order. It's just... So let's see if that's everything for econ A. Yeah, whether the quiz name equals econ A. These are the questions 1 to 115. So yep, that's everything. Yep, these are the actual questions for econ A. Yep, that's pretty legit. Everything is there. That passes the test of it.